Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Dancehall artist Idone is steadily increasing his presence in corporate Jamaica, having recently been named as Epicon Ambassador. However, the DJ has been relatively absent on the music scene with the last set of singles released at the end of last year. Nevertheless, his music continues to dominate the dancehall space despite not dropping singles like other seasoned dancehall stars. The fourth Jenna Boss, who maintains that he is committed to musical artistry, admits that fans have been demanding new music. Speaking at Epicon's farm tour held recently, Idone gave an update on his musical moves.
It's summertime right now, so we kick out some things, album, we do a different type of move right now with a live band, the Banga Nation, because we take on the thing, on a different level. Normally people just see reggae artists with a live band, I do that right now with, in a dance hall with my own band, you see me, so that's the vibe right now. Some more music videos, you see me, we have kind of like a little mini movie thing, I come out with some music video and thing, a different type of vibe, so I just that's out there right now, you see me.
Idone is best known for tracks like Banga, Yeah Yeah, Hot Tool, VVS, as well as Breeze featuring fellow 4th Jenna artist Governor. Now to news overseas, where a U.S. teenager wins millions at a video game tournament. 16-year-old Kyle Booger Gersdorf won $3 million, the first place prize, and the title of the best Fortnite player in the world at the Fortnite World Cup held over the weekend in New York City. Fortnite, the free video game from developer Epic Games, has generated billions of dollars and has become an obsession for gamers of all ages. Now remember to check out the Miss Jamaica Festival Queen Coronation tonight at the National Arena. It will be aired live on TVJ. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.